on the other one. Corners are the hardest. Now this tablet's going to have the problem of the buttons popping back like so. The main button is not connected to the rest of the tablet. It actually is connected to the outer case. So corners will come through all the way down across like this, all the way to the back, and we just pull this off and set that over to the side, and we'll see the same, or rather similar, orientation here. Most of the space is taken up by the battery. We have the stuff we're going to ignore, and we have the funny looking angle, the corner here, and the big metal part. We're just going to pull that up with this and do the same thing. We're going to find the power button, which is actually this is the underside of the button that we're looking for, and it is right here, and we just want to hold that down for 20 seconds. And then we want to take the USB looking end of it and connect that right back in. And this is to fix the problem many tablets, particularly the Lenovo's, have of the battery going out and not liking its connection to the rest of the board. So you just snap it back into place like the previous one, taking care along the corners. This is going to have a softer pop. But after that, you realize you can take any tablet that has a battery problem and fix it rather simply without having to pay any technician or buying any parts.